Hello everyone, Akash here. I always get a question. People ask me which one is better, Vivic 7 Day Ginger Oil or Neo Hair Lotion, and they always ask me what would be the best way to use it. I'll talk in detail that I personally how I used it. This one I had it like about more than a year. I used it. Okay, this is how I used it. This is how it's gonna look like when you get the box. 7 day. And again, if you've been in my channel for a long time and you using this product Vivic 7 days, if it's working for you, continue using it. If something working for you, you never want to change it, continue using it. So when I got this is how the bottle gonna look like. Okay, so this is don't get confused with the 7 Day ginger oil, and this is Vivic 7 Day ginger oil. It's a different between it. The bottle is different, the packaging is different. So this one, what I did, when my hair is dry, it doesn't matter when your hair is dry, your hair is not wet, that's the time you use it. You want to use it in the morning, you want to use it in the afternoon, you want to use it at night. It doesn't matter which time you use. Make sure your hair is dry, not wet. And when you put it in, you think about it. When do I take a shower? Am I taking shower within few hours? Then don't do it. Let's say you put this in the morning and then you take a shower in the afternoon. That's perfectly fine. So you keep it on your hair at least 4 or 5 hours, and it doesn't smell at all, and this is pure ginger. So that's what you try to do. So you get few drop exactly where you need it. You get a few drop exactly where you put it, gently massage it and comb your hair, and that's it. You go by your day and afternoon or wherever you take a shower. Description box, you could check it out, and this is exactly how the box gonna look like if you get it. Okay, now is the Neo Hair Lotion. It's about 3 months. I wasn't sure. I heard so much about it and I wanted to give it a shot. So this is how the box looks like. This is how it's gonna look like. If you currently ordered it or if you got it, you shake it well. That's the first thing you do. Shake it well. And again, it does not matter you use it in the morning, afternoon, or night. I would recommend you use it once. Don't use too much. Don't use it twice or 3 times. Don't do that. Just use once a day. I think best time to use it probably in the morning, but you're kind of person like to take a shower or wash your hair in the morning, then make sure your hair is dry. When your hair is dry, then you use it. So you shake it well. You see this spray is very easy. You put it exactly where you need it and you comb your hair, gently massage it, comb your hair. And the best thing about this one, like a lot of people likes to use gel. So when you comb your hair exactly where you want to put it after using this, the hair stays that way. So you don't have to use gel or you don't have to do anything. So you could, the way you like to style your hair, you could just use this and style. And also it's all natural products, all natural ingredients. Again, I did talk about this in detail, all natural ingredients in it. So that would be the best choice. So make sure, what is the thing? Make sure your hair is dry. That's the time you should use it. And all the time people ask me, there's an original one, there's a fake one. This is the original one. I have the link in description box. You could check it out. And now you have to think about the afford. Can you afford those? This is it's like $7-8. It's on sale. I have the link in description box. But this is 3 times more expensive than this. But if you look at the bottle size, this one is probably, if you don't use it too much, it's probably good for like 6 weeks. And maybe if if you're really careful with it and put it exactly where you need it, maybe it's gonna be good for 8 weeks. And this one is good for only 2 weeks because it's a small bottle. It's only 30 millimeters, so it's a very small bottle. So if you first time you're getting this, I would recommend to get 2 bottles. So that's good for 1 month. So then you could try it a whole month, and if you see your hair regrowth, new hair, and your hair is feeling thicker and fuller, then definitely stick to it. And this one immediately, like if you put it in today and you comb your hair, you're not gonna get new hair overnight. It takes time. Of course, you're gonna use the whole bottle. You're gonna see some difference, and when you see some difference, you get a extra bottle and use it. And people always ask me, oh, I'm using one bottle and it's working for me, should I stop? No, when you're using something is working for you, you have to continue using it. What are you gonna do if you use this product for like 6 months or 1 year, and then you realize your hair looks much better, thicker and fuller? Then don't use it every day. Use it every other day. So use less, but continue to use it because your hair need all the nutrition and everything. So this is like good for 2 weeks. This is depending on how carefully you use, good for 8 weeks. So but the difference is this one is like $7-8, but this one is like 3 times more. So you have to compare that. And if you lost already, I would say like 30% of your hair already, I would definitely recommend use this one, because this is much stronger and much many more different natural ingredients in it. So that would definitely help you. But if you recently start losing hair, I would definitely recommend Viavic, because it's affordable and it's pure ginger, and stick to it. Use it, every day, once a day, and you will see significant difference within 4 to 8 weeks. Again, I always talk about some good natural shampoos, oil, and everything. You could check it out. My all hair growth product on my channel is there, and I'm sure some of those products could help you really. So if you could use a dermaroller, is really helpful to your hair, and I'm sure you've seen probably many videos, but this is, I do use it daily. I use it daily for 10 minutes. That really help you blood flow on your skull. You really need to have a good blood flow on your skull in order for you to regrow new hair, because you're gonna use products, ginger products, you're gonna use ginger shampoo, good oil. Those all is gonna help you certain extents. But if you use this physically, if you get a derma roller, and if you could do it 10 minutes a day, and get the one, and I have the link in the description box, there are 0.1, that's the one I use. That's I feel comfortable. So you personally use it like this, like you're gonna do it exactly where you need it. If you have a thin hair in the back, you do it there. If you have a thin hair on the side, you do it there. And you're gonna see, don't press it too hard, just do it gently, and you're gonna see your skin gonna get reddish. Okay, so that's mean it's working. So if you could do 10 minutes a day, and you're gonna see a significant difference, especially the places you get bald spot. So that's really helpful. Again, if you cannot do it 10 minutes, I would say even you do it 5 minutes, start with 5 minutes, then get to 10 minutes. That should really help you. And hope this video was helpful to you. If this video is helpful to you, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.